welcome back to the Mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. So, Marcia is out and about, and she's speaking about herself. Now, as you know, Marcia is going to give you the raw barn part of her, and she's not going to hold up. Marcia is talking some raw stuff here, and she is getting deep into it. She's not in an aggressive tone, but somewhat calm, and, it's very calm, but she is definitely giving it to whoever it is that is bothering her. Now, this is a different side of Marcia that we have seen, and we can see where she's calm, but she is also being defensive. She's in her defensive mode, and she is actually answering, to whoever was bothering her. Now, Marcia, as we know, she's a person that she always speak her mind no matter what. And this is exactly what she is doing, but in a calmer sense. So go ahead and catch the video, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as you always know, and as I always say, have yourselves a wonderful day.
Once you talk about him, and you do all the work for him. You coming out of social media and just write God is good all the time, I working for the Lord, come reminding people that God is good. So guess what? In time of trouble, he always pay me. So he always prepare the best for me. Did I know that when I left Woodland Village, what God was preparing for me? Yeah? Nope. But everything just come at the right time, at the right moment. That's what God will do for you. Am I catching that no yard? No. Am I staying with relatives and friends? No. Am I in my own quarters that I am paying for? Yes. Am I fucking any one on a man? Maybe. Am I sharing one on a ass man? No. Am I fucking anyone on a man? Maybe. I'm just saying. So what is the motherfucking problem? Are you a beat me? Are you a give me this sweet massage at night time? Are you the one who's watering me Ross grass? No. So what is your fucking problem then? What is my life have to do? Not the Ross thing. Are you the one who is filling up this pussy when time comes for you to get feel up and tenderize up? Are you the one who is licking this beautiful suckling blood clot breasty? No. So what the fuck you chat for? Am I lying beside you with your blood clot across the skin? The skin will look like a blood clot cornstarch powder, dry like any blood clot coconut brush. I tell you. Now, are you giving me that sweet piece of Ross bamboo? Not bamboo. That the one that mahogany wood. No. Hello. Remember, say, me bipolar. Remember, say, if you write a little letter, so me can take it to the doctor and get me, put me on disability for bipolar. Yeah. It is well with my soul. When is well with my soul. All over the eagles of Allah. Banjo for Kulos. vukulu sulidio. No bomb clot. Remember bipolar, I know. I want me not chat about. Oh yes, I was chatting about the sweet piece of bumbo. Pimenta hoodie. I'll tell you. Mi kuluzuku vukilisa. Me. God send this down. They call him Jesus. He came to love, heal, and forgive. He lives and died to buy my pardon. On empty graves there is proof his Savior lives. Because he lives, I can face tomorrow. Because he lives, all my fears are gone. Because I do. Big up Sean Brown in the house. My future. Oh. All the children. You know, something that the medicine man in. Remember, say me buy, you know, I'm poly. So anything they ask, get them over take you. That my dear. You not have nothing to tell me? You not have anything to tell me? Anybody have anything to tell me? Good night, Dan, are you? You not have anything to tell me? Oh, I look so pretty. Oh, I look so pretty. I just love these earrings. They look so pretty, honey. Don't I look pretty? I look so pretty. I look pretty, honey. Pretty. I love these. Are my favorite iced tea. I bought them at Walmart, 6 in a pack. Anybody have anything to say before me to chat? Yeah, I went up my clothes. My business with Dr. Yet. My business with Dr. Yet. What that have to do with me? What that have to do with me? What that have to do with me? After court, I make it there. Everybody got a court. I got a court about 2 months ago. But my name gonna rock. My name is a judge. I just sit down like in the passage where I wait. My lawyer chat to me, and that was it. So court, anybody can get a court. Court. Me don't want to hear film name over here. Please. Don't mention that character name over here. If you don't want me to have a good night, please. Let me eat my little piece. Let me eat my food in peace. And let's have a little good time. I don't want 300 name on my page. And I don't want 99 name on my page. And I don't want over the fence name on my page. So if you don't want to get blocked, please don't come over here. That name I don't want it written on my page. I am in a very good mood. My friend sent over some food can give me from the delivery service, and I don't, because I never feel like go back out the door. And he asked me, I want them some food. I want this food is so fucking good. I don't want to hear them name there. I am in a very good mood, me not lie. I'm in a very good mood. I got some sleep. I'm going to say, let me turn on the camera and go and chat to my people. Me don't want to name the papa page. Anything you want to do. My lawyer is standing by. Ready, like a Freddy. And if he thinks that me don't have no fucking money, tell him to try me. You understand? Me have a good pussy right here, me can sell it. And me have a one storage full of merchandise. And me have had the money, can go dig up. So, whatever him want to do, let him tell him that I am pussy clot ready. Let me name me bumble clot food. Because at this present moment, me Marcia Campbell have the blade and the angle to put him Ross behind bars. So him not have nothing for me. Whatever case him have, if my one had to it, dog name him fucking supper. So me not have to listen to him and me not have to hear nothing what him say. Because me have too much evidence on him. And statement that he made, threatening statement and all kind of lies and all kind of bullying, going back for how long, all kind of screenshot with him name on it. Doctor do so and so to Marcia Campbell, Doctor do so and so to Marcia Campbell, this and that, me have everything. So listen to me, I don't have no time for fuckery people. This ain't no joking matter for me. You understand? So, the ball is in his court to do what he got to do and bring it on for Blood Clot 2024. Me ready feel like a pussy clot Freddy. And this ain't no fucking joke. So, me no want hear nothing more. Cause him don't have one fucking secret to me. You understand? So, America, my blood clot live. I'm a blood clot citizen of the United States of America. So, I don't know if you're watching me, but I wonder if I'm going to take the call and go over it sound or go out. I have to advise me, I have to send it back when I'm done. So if you don't want me, I have a good time with Marcia, bless. That is it. When I go over YouTube, go look if Erica a stream me live. Or anyone of them a stream me live. Go over there, go find out if she a stream me live. And come back and tell me. Go over see. Somebody go over there, go see if she a stream me live, please. And come back and tell me. I want to say big up to my sisters them. Pennsylvania, especially one in Pennsylvania. Sita, big up yourself. Thank you very much for your support. Yes, as always. Yes, my dear, thank you very much. I'm a big up brother in England. Thank you very much for checking up on me every day. Yeah. And my sister Vadney. Yes. I know say when I hear what I go on social media. Because my sister sent me one song this morning. One motivational song from a Christian. I know say them know, but I want to tell my family. I'm alright. I'm blessed and highly favored. And I know that you know hear what I go on social media. But who don't know, not go like what them attack say. Because I know my family have my back. I know it might seem a little embarrassing for what them attack say, but who don't know the truth. My friends, them and everybody know the truth behind closed door. So all my family in Jamaica, I know they might be on social media, I know they there. Somehow no. Let me shut up my mouth, yeah? Now listen to them. Nothing going on. Like what is going on. I understand. No make them, no believe nothing what you're saying. Marcia is quite alright.